we're going to be doing some sauteed cabbage. So for our sauteed cabbage, you're going to need some cabbage, of course. You need 2 carrots, and onions, some smoked beef sausage, some bacon, Shelly's house seasoning. Now you know we can't do anything in this kitchen without some Shelly's house seasoning. Salt, pepper, seasoning, garlic, onion powder. And if you don't want to use Shelly's house seasoning, use your favorite all-purpose seasoning. Work just as good. Now you can use and get you some minced garlic. All right, you're gonna need about a tablespoon of minced garlic. All right, so let's get started, guys, on this dish. Okay, first let's start by chopping up our cabbage. And I'm gonna bring over my bowl, and we're gonna put it in here because we're gonna have to rinse this cabbage. Once we chop everything up. So let's start by getting rid of this piece. Put that in the trash. Alright, so now we're going to get a flat surface with this cabbage. We're going to cut this piece in half. No worries. Make sure you got a nice sharp knife when you're playing with cabbage. Because it's kind of hard to cut through, and you will cut yourself if you do not know what you're doing. So make sure you cut a piece off and leave you a flat surface. Then just go in and start slicing. And watch out for that core. That core is tricky. Alright? Cut them in half. Get them in your bowl. Ooh, excuse me. Bless me, Lord. Alright. Cut it in half. Like that. Get that off of there. The reason I did that because I wanted to make room on the board. Alright. Cut it in half, guys. Get it in there. Right in half. Put it in there. Alright, so this part we're going to toss. It looks like a whole lot of cabbage, but it's going to cook down to nothing. Alright. Just like so. Alright. So now, we're going to get our onion chopped. Not going to take long at all. Cut this baby. Like so. I'll give it a rough chop. Carrots, cut off that part, and we're going to cut it on the bias. Make sure you peel your carrots, get your vegetable peeler, peel your carrots. If not, just take a knife and just run across it until you peel it. Go. A few carrots, my onion. Everything already diced. Let's dice up 5 slices of bacon. Like that. I'll slice up 5 slices of bacon, guys. Smoked sausage. And if you have fresh garlic, this would be the time to chop it. I don't know what's going on with this thing. It don't want to open for me. Keep breaking the daggone sausage. Alright, so I want to cut these. I'll turn my, you can see, cutting it on the bias, like so. Just like this. There it is. Okay. So this is enough sausages, bacon, onion. I don't know, forget it's already out. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. Alright, so everything is all chopped up. When we come back, I'm gonna give this cabbage a rinse, and when we come back, I'm show you what to do next. Alright guys, so let's get some bacon in the pan. Let's get our bacon in our pan and start that cooking. I just wanted to spread the bacon out. Get that going. So 5 slices of bacon. And we want to crisp up that bacon. I'm just trying to break it apart so it'll cook evenly. Just like that. And you want some crispy bacon when you put it in your cabbage. So I'm going to let this bacon cook up and come back. I'm going to show you guys what to do next. Now that our bacon is where I want it, nice and crispy, guys, look at that. We're going to add our sausage to our bacon. I'm going to add them sausage and those onions and carrots. But my main thing that I was concerned about getting that bacon nice and crispy. Look at that. Woo. Nice, beautiful. Nice and beautiful. Look at all the nice sausages. Let's get our onion in here. I use a half a stick of salted butter. Get our carrots on. Carrots, onion. Oh, it smells amazing when I added that. Oh, I'm trying to tell you guys. Get a half a stick of butter in here. That's like so. And this. Let's add some garlic. I don't know what's going on with my garlic. Don't want to come out. Gotta beat it up a little bit. Had to beat it up a little bit. There it is. Nice amount of garlic. Going down. It's going down. It's going down. Yeah. Oh, my kitchen smells amazing. Woo, woo. I'm telling you, I get the singing when it's good up in this kitchen. Now I'm going to add some cabbage. Nice pan. Here we're going to get the cabbage in. We don't need to add no fluid because the cabbage is going to give us plenty. And we're just going to hit it with some Shelly's house seasoning. Once I get all the cabbage in. And a sprinkle of sugar, just a little tiny bit. Just to balance out that garlic and all those flavors that went in here. Not enough to sweeten it, just enough to balance. And all of this is just going to cook down. Alright. Add some Shelly's house seasoning. We're going to let it cook down. And when we come back, guys, I'll show you guys the next step of what it looked like. Alright? Alright. Look at that. Amazing. It's cooking up in here. It's cooking up. Okay, so this is the final result of our sauteed cabbage. Looks amazing, guys. Look at this. Got our sausage. Cabbage. And carrots. I'm going to get a carrot with it. If you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up. Like, comment, share. Hit me up on social media. You just want to talk, just hit me up. Alright, guys, man, let's dig in and give it a nice taste. So delicious. I added a teaspoon of sugar off camera, guys. Just wanted to let y'all know it'll be in the description box. Alright, guys. I'm going to get out of here and tear up this cabbage, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see And as always, guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.